What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell crypto on Revolut X app. Also, if you guys are interested in some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. So now let's get started. So when you open up your Revolut X app, you will be on this homepage right here. Now from the homepage you would need to go to the trade tab right here. And here you can select a cryptocurrency that you previously purchased and you wish to sell now. But if you don't see it right away, you can go to the search tab and simply type in the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. In this case, let's type in Solana and select to which currency we want to sell Solana. So in this case, let's go for the US dollars. And here's the Solana page right here. Now from this tab, you would simply need to click the sell button right here. Now a new window loaded in which you would need to select the amount of this cryptocurrency that you would like to sell. So let's say that I want to sell all Solana that I currently have. I would click on the 100% option right here, or if I know the exact amount that I have, I would just type it in manually right here. So once I selected the amount that I want to sell, I would just need to review the order by clicking this button right here. Now the new window loaded detailing the transaction. So on this window, you can see the estimated price of the cryptocurrency at the moment, the amount that you're selling, and the exchange fee, which on Revolut X is 0. And lastly, the dollar amount that you will get in return. So to confirm this transaction, just go ahead and click confirm. And there we go. The sell market order has been placed to sell our Solana. And if you scroll down, you can see the order book right here. So on the left side are the buy options and on the right side are the sell orders. So let's go ahead and exit this and go on our homepage to see if the transaction was finalized. And it was. So as you can see, I previously had about $2 on my account and now I have 4 because the Solana was sold. So that's guys how you can sell any cryptocurrency on Revolut X. Again, if you found this video helpful, you can check out some crypto relevant bonuses in the description below. Thank you for watching.